What's up, everybody? You see my little gangster band-aid on my nose? Oh, yeah. Scratched my nose. So, yeah. Um, this is a Taiwanese onion pancake. So it's kind of like layers. So I thought this would work pretty good as like a flour tortilla. And then we've got some lemon rice. And then this is a mango chicken curry. And I thought I would make, a freaking taco. So we'll put some rice. Probably gonna be like, what the heck? This isn't how you eat it. I know, but it sounds amazing though, doesn't it, guys? Oh yeah. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. And that wasn't me farting. All right, let's get a bite of it, guys. You ready? Oh yeah, let's try it. It's the way to do it, guys. 6.8 slabs of bacon. Would recommend that. Have a great night, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.